For years, I dreamed of a job where I could inspire others. I longed for a role that allowed me to share my passion for personal growth and transformation. However, despite my efforts, the right opportunity remained elusive. I felt stuck, my dream job seeming like a distant fantasy. Then, I discovered Neville Goddard and his powerful ladder technique. This technique, rooted in the power of imagination, promised to bridge the gap between my desires and their manifestation. Intrigued, I decided to put it to the test, focusing my energy on my dream job. Every night before sleep, I would imagine myself already working in my dream job. I felt the joy of inspiring others, the satisfaction of making a difference. I visualized every detail, my office, my colleagues, the impact of my work. To my astonishment, within weeks, I received a call for an interview for a position that perfectly matched my vision. The interview was a success, and I was offered the job. The ladder technique had worked its magic, turning my dream into reality. Neville Goddard, a mid-20th century spiritual teacher, taught that our imagination is the key to manifesting our desires. He believed that we possess an innate power to create our reality through the power of our thoughts. Goddard's teachings emphasize that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape our experiences. By consciously directing our imagination, we can influence the course of our lives. The ladder technique, one of Goddard's most potent techniques, provides a simple yet profound framework for harnessing the power of imagination. It is a tool for bridging the gap between our current reality and our desired reality. Through consistent and focused imagination, we can impress our subconscious mind with the feeling of our wish fulfilled. This, in turn, sets in motion a series of events that lead to the manifestation of our desires in the physical world. One of the biggest challenges in manifestation is overcoming our limiting beliefs. These are the negative thoughts and doubts that hold us back from believing in our power to create our desired reality. We may tell ourselves that we are not good enough, lucky enough, or deserving enough to have what we want. These limiting beliefs act as roadblocks, preventing us from fully embracing the potential of the ladder technique. The ladder technique addresses this challenge by shifting our focus from the limitations of our current reality to the limitless possibilities of our imagination. It encourages us to suspend disbelief and step into the feeling of our desires being fulfilled. By repeatedly experiencing the feeling of our wish fulfilled, we begin to weaken the grip of our limiting beliefs. The more we focus on the desired outcome, the more our subconscious mind accepts it as possible, paving the way for its manifestation. The ladder technique is simple yet powerful. It involves identifying a specific desire and then using your imagination to create a scene where that desire is already fulfilled. Find a quiet place where you can relax without distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, calming your mind and body. Now imagine yourself at the end of your day, lying in bed, ready to drift off to sleep. In this relaxed state, bring to mind your desire. See it, feel it, and experience it as if it were already real. Focus on the feeling of your desire being fulfilled. Hold this feeling for as long as you can, immersing yourself in the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction of its realization. Section 5. Proof in the pudding success stories. Countless individuals have used the ladder technique to manifest their desires, from finding love and attracting abundance to achieving career goals and improving their health. One woman used the ladder technique to manifest her dream home. Every night she would imagine herself relaxing in her ideal home, feeling the joy and contentment of owning it. Within months, she found her dream home and made it her reality. Another individual used the technique to attract their soulmate. They imagined themselves sharing loving moments with their ideal partner, feeling the warmth and happiness of a fulfilling relationship. Soon after, they met someone special and experienced the love they had envisioned. These stories, along with countless others, serve as a testament to the power of the ladder technique. They demonstrate that when we align our imagination with our desires, we tap into a powerful force for manifestation. The ladder technique, your key to manifestation. Now, this isn't a magic trick. It's a powerful tool for aligning your inner world with your outer world. It's about recognizing the power of your imagination and using it consciously to create the life you desire. The key to success lies in consistency and faith. Practice the technique daily, immersing yourself in the feeling of your desire being fulfilled. Trust in the process, knowing that you are a powerful creator. As you continue to use the ladder technique, you'll notice shifts in your energy and perspective. You'll feel more aligned with your desires and more confident in your ability to manifest them. The universe will respond to your focused imagination, orchestrating events and circumstances that support the realization of your dreams. Be open to receiving and watch as your desires unfold in your life. Embrace the power of imagination. The ladder technique reminds us that we are not merely passive observers in our lives, but active creators of our reality. Our imagination is a powerful tool for shaping our experiences. By choosing to focus our imagination on our desires, we shift our energy and attract experiences that align with our vision. We become conscious creators, shaping our lives with intention and purpose. Embrace the power of your imagination. See it as a gift, a tool for creating the life you desire. Use it wisely and watch as your world transforms. Remember, your imagination is your preview of life's coming attractions. What you focus on expands. Choose to focus on your desires and watch as they manifest in your life. You are a powerful creator. You are not limited by your circumstances, your past, or your beliefs. You are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your desires through the power of your imagination. The ladder technique is a reminder of your inherent power. It's an invitation to step into your role as a conscious creator and shape your reality with intention. Believe in your ability to manifest your desires. Trust in the process and know that you are supported by the universe. You are worthy of experiencing joy, love, abundance, and fulfillment. Embrace your power and create the life of your dreams. Take the first step and manifest your dreams. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect circumstances. The time to manifest your dreams is now. Take the first step by incorporating the ladder technique into your daily routine. Commit to practicing it consistently and watch as your desires begin to take shape in your life. You'll be amazed by the power of your imagination and the transformative effects of this simple yet profound technique. The ladder technique is your key to unlocking a world of possibilities. Use it to manifest your dreams, achieve your goals, and create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. The power is within you. Take the first step and begin your journey of manifestation today.